watching as the day we met. Only there is something I don't recognize, though I cannot name it yet. I know it. Beautiful is what you are, only somehow wearing a frightening disguise. I can see the winter in your eyes now, telling me, thank you, we're done here, not much to say. We are together, but I have had dividing day. So when was this day? Was it on the church step? Suddenly you're out of love. Does it go creeping slowly? When was your dividing day? I can see the winter in your eyes now, telling me, Margaret, we did it. You curtsied, I bowed. We are together, but no more love, no more love allowed. When was dividing day? Was it on the church step? Did it happen right away? Were you lying next to me, hiding what you couldn't say? How could I have guessed? Was your cheek upon my chest, an ocean away? When was dividing day? I'm gonna like somebody and let them like me. Going further means chains, and I was born to be free. To hell with love, to hell with love. I'll find a way to keep from getting in too deep. To hell with love. I like to sleep when night comes and laugh every day. But when you're in love, it just doesn't work that way. To hell with love. To hell with love. Oh, I'm gonna back up fast so love stays in my past. To hell with love. I've been in love so bad, I thought that I would die. I could have filled a water bed with all the tears I cried. To hell with love. To hell with love. Forget what other people do, and as for me and you, to hell with love, to hell with love, to hell with love. And when it comes to you way it's gonna be. And if you share my point of view on the woman made for you, when it comes to push and shove, if you're holding out for love, to hell with love.